In a move that no one saw coming, the Tokyo Metropolitan Government has released a magical girl anime, but with a surprising twist. It starts like a typical magical girl anime: vibrant colors, a cute sidekick, and an epic transformation. But things take a sharp turn. The heroine transforms to face a fire-wielding monster with the help of her mascot. But once the transformation is complete, the mascot hands her a shocking bill: 800 million yen, all because she didn't read the contract. Her stunned reaction is relatable. She protests, but the mascot coldly reminds her that it's her responsibility to understand the terms before agreeing. The ad's dark humor and twisty vibe remind fans of Puella Magi Madoka Magica, known for its unsettling take on the magical girl genre. Fans even compared the mascot to Kyuubi, with comments like, "That guy's as nasty as Kyuubi. He's even worse than Kyuubi." The message is clear. In a world full of service agreements and subscriptions, not reading the fine print can lead to trouble. With sharp writing, solid performances from Ayumu Kotomiya and Kisho Taniyama, and a touch of dark humor, this PSA blends entertainment with an important life lesson. So what do you think? Should this magical girl get her own series? Let us know in the comments, and remember, always read the fine print.